now going to make the panel frames. So I've cut one to length to fit just underneath the lintel, straight down to the base, and now I'm going to mark just behind there and underneath there and cut out an half lap so it just fits snugly on that strengthening section between the wall posts. So there you go. Cut the slots out. Put my E-defenders on and my full face visor. And just cut them flat, side to side movement. I turn the surface all around now in order to get it nice and flat. If I continue there, I'll cut one end slightly too deep. And there we go. So I'll try and fit it against the post now and screw it into position. Difficult to do this with one hand holding the iPad and the other holding the mouse. But there you go, nice tight fit. And all I need to do now is line it up correctly and screw it to the post. What I also do is to make sure that those panel battens are equally spaced and the same depth all the way around, so the panels look nice and neat, is to use a combo square just to make sure that the correct depth, and that one is it's perfect. So I've screwed that securely now to the post, as you can see, in a number of positions. So that's going nowhere. Now I'll repeat that on every post around the tea house and around the frame. The vertical frame battens have gone up now. So all I need to do is put the horizontal ones in between each section. So there'll be three, one at the top, one in the middle and one on the lower. So that's three each, and then once that's done, all the framing is finished and I can continue onto the roof. So I said previously, I'm now putting the horizontal sections of the frames in. Top, one up in the middle. As you can see, I've already fitted that one on the bottom. And I'll go all around the section of the frame. Well, the basic framing is done now. I've finished the main frames and battens where the panels will go. So you can see on the outside, fit quite nicely there, as well as the inside. Okie dokie, there you go. It's all coming on. The big job will be when I get the wood, and that's going to be the roofing. In the meantime, I'll give the posts a lick of paint, or stain I should say. I'm staining them mahogany, and that'll be the next thing. And the next stage, which will be tomorrow probably. So I've given it a good sanding inside and outside. So the next stage now is just to give it a lick of mahogany. Certainly on the inside, just to see how it looks. I'm not going to do the floor obviously till the very end, till everything's together. But I want to do the posts at least now, because when I start to put the panels in, it'll become a little bit more difficult to paint. So there you are, give it a lick of mahogany. It's the first coat, so it looks a bit washed out at the minute, but I'm sure after a second coat it'll look a lot better. 2.5 litres did the complete frame. I didn't bother painting the inside, clearly, it was pointless. I couldn't get hold of a 5 litre can for some reason, but 2.5 litres done, so I'll have to buy another 2.5 litres for the second coat. And that is as far as I can go now, to be honest. I'm waiting for another delivery of the wood for the rafters. I can't see the point in painting the floor, not until the complete build is finished. And I'm certainly not going to put the panels in until the roof is on and completed. So that's it. The next video will be me attempting to build the rafters. It's going to be fun. Until then, happy building, and of course it's still a ponding channel. Happy ponding.